Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another cook with me, and I'm going to be making shrimp etouffee. I absolutely love seafood. So to make this dish, I'm going to be using a can of chicken broth, golden mushroom, cream of mushroom soup. I have my seasonings with my seasoning salt, black pepper, and New Orleans style seasoning, along with some brown rice, my 3-pepper blend with onions, red pepper, and bell pepper, a stick of butter, and most importantly, I have my pre-cooked shrimp. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my stick of butter and cut off about 3 tablespoons and place it in the bottom of the skillet on low heat and just let it melt. Now that my butter is all melted and is covering the complete bottom of the skillet, I'm going to take my 3-pepper blend and add it in and just let these saute and simmer in the butter. And then I'm also going to add my seasonings to the mix so that they're pretty seasoned. So now that the onions and peppers are completely sauteed, I'm going to go in and add a can of cream of mushroom soup. And then I'm also going to add the other can of golden mushroom. And initially I did leave a little bit in the can because I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to be too much mixed for the amount of onions and peppers that I had. But I did go back and end up adding the rest of it. So we're just going to stir that all together and mix it up all nice and creamy. And once it comes to a high heat steam, go ahead on and add your cooked shrimp. And it doesn't matter if your shrimp are completely thawed out or not, because the heat from boiling within the mixture is going to go ahead on and cook them anyway. Now I'm adding in a half a can of the chicken broth. 1 whole can was going to make it a bit too soupy, so I wanted to only add a half a can. However, if it does get too liquidy, you can always take flour and water and mix it up and pour it in there, and it'll thicken it up to the consistency that you want it to be. So I don't cook any type of roux or gravy mixture without adding a chicken bouillon. I absolutely love the flavor that it gives. So I'm just going to take some of the chicken broth liquid and put a chicken bouillon in it, stick it in the microwave, and let it completely melt. And then I'm going to add it into the pan mixture. So once your mixture comes to a complete boil, it is done. This is such a quick and easy seafood dish to make in less than 20 minutes. I also had my rice cooking on the side at the same time. So now I'm going to fix me a nice plate and dinner is served. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little shrimp etouffee recipe video. Until the next one, I will see you guys in the next cook with me. Bye, Daisies.